Here is the UHD Pro camera. This thing is amazing. It is so small. You see it's smaller than your finger, basically. It has a 4K camera in it, rechargeable battery. It can also stand on its own. You can put a little lanyard on it. And when you power it on by holding the button, you can just tap the button like that. And when it's blinking, that means it's recording, and you hit it again to stop it. So it is very, very simple setup, and you don't need to use an app to make this thing work. Once you have done all your recordings and you're ready to see them, it's as simple as double tapping this button, and then it goes into Wi-Fi mode, and it makes a wireless network which you can connect your phone to and download your pictures effortlessly. This is the app that goes with the body cam. You download the app, you connect to Wi-Fi, and you can access the camera on the application. You can record right from the application. I can move around the camera with my hand. As you can see right here, I'm moving the camera around, and that is recording the app. You can then easily come right to your files that you had. Maybe you've got some files or things like that. You can click on it right from the application. You can even download the video you just recorded. It also has a lot of settings you can modify, such as quality of the video, 1080p, 4K. It has a loop recording feature where it will record continuously as either a car dash cam or on your body. When it reaches the storage capacity of your memory card, it'll just overwrite the oldest video, so it's great for that. And it also has a feature right here where you can erase all the content of the card very easily and start fresh.